All right, everybody. Hello, and welcome to another edition of Booze and Hacking. I am your host, Dark Hoodie. We are back with another TryHackMe room. This one is called Chocolate Factory, named after that film Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. So this looks like it could be fun, but before I begin, I want to take a moment to thank everyone who has been subscribing to my channel. I took a look the other day and noticed that I have gone slightly past 100, and that is a huge milestone for me. I never expected anyone to really follow me on this journey, so I want to take a moment to say thank you, thank you, thank you. It means the world to me that you're all here with me and you're joining me on this journey of different types of pen tests. Cybersecurity has always been a great passion of mine, and I hope it is for you as well. And so please allow me to express my deepest gratitude to you all for being with me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. It means everything. So that being said, let's get into the room, but first let's talk about what we are drinking. And this was a gift I got from a friend of mine. It's called Old Timer Moonshine. It is 100 proof, made from Long Island corn, and it's deadly. So if you're going to have some of this, if you should decide to run out and get yourself a bottle, make sure you're staying home that night. Don't go out. This is purely a stay-at-home type of drink. And I would say, if you're in the mood for a drink, by all means, pour yourself something and let's get into the room together. So we've started the room up. Here is our IP address. Welcome to Willy Wonka's Chocolate Factory. This room was designed so that hackers can revisit Willy Wonka's Chocolate Factory and meet an Oompa Loompa. So I've gone ahead already and started the room. I'm going to mark this part as complete. And let's see what else is going on. There's some challenges here, it says. So it looks like there are 4 questions to answer, 2 of which are the flags. It's saying enter the key you found and what's Charlie's password. So let's run our nmap script. All right. And what is our IP address? 10.10.13.196. 10.10.13.196. Let's go with our first port. Let's do the standards. We're not going to go all the way to the end. And there's a lot of ports open from what I can see here. And hopefully this will not take too long. And we are scanning, we are scanning. All right. While this scan is taking place, I'm going to pause this here, and I'll be back when it's over. See you in a few. Okay, we're back. Scan is over. Let's have a look and see what we are dealing with. There's a lot to cover, so let's get to the top. I did a really extensive scan. So let's see what we are looking at. So, first off, port 21 is open, and right off the bat, I can tell you it's anonymous FTP is allowed, so that's bad OPSEC right there. And strangely enough, there's a picture in here. It says gum_room.jpg. I have a feeling we might be doing some steganography. But in any case, let's see. So this is bad. Never leave this open. Port 22 is open, running OpenSSH over Ubuntu. Port 80 is open, running an Apache web server. Port 100 is over. Not sure what this is about, but it does say here, welcome to the chocolate room. Small hint from Mr. Wonka, look somewhere else, it's not here. Hope you won't drown Augustus. Okay. Port 101 is open, the same welcome. 102, same thing. 103, same thing. Bunch of ports here. They all seem to be open, and they all seem to be giving the same message. So I'm going to scroll down past all of these. A bunch of unnecessary ports that are open. These should all be closed if they're not doing anything. Oh, look at this one. So port 113. It says here, fingerprint strings. Look at this. It says here, there's this site here, localhost key_rev_key. You will find the key here. All right, we're going to have to go to that site, but I'm going to keep scrolling down to see if there's anything else here, and then we'll run back up and try out that link. A lot of ports open. They're all saying the same thing. It's probably by design to be confusing. And we're scrolling. Okay, so let's go back up to that link, because that seems to be the only thing that is giving us any type of clue about anything. Okay, so let's give that a shot. Well, this didn't work because I didn't put the IP address in there. So let's do that now. 10.10.13.196. 196. Huh. I think it's that S. Let's get rid of that S. Okay, it's giving me some kind of key. Rev key. All right. Now we have to see what that's all about. So I'm going to go back to my terminal. Go into downloads. And it's file key_rev_key. Key_rev_key. All right, 64-bit pi. It's an executable. All right. Let's see what strings has to say about this. Strings key_rev_key. Strings allows us to look to see if there's any kind of human readable type information that we might be able to derive from a particular file. Let's get to the top. Oh, look at this. Congratulations, you have found the key. So I'm guessing it's between these quotes, so it's going to begin with keep it safe. Okay. Well, also bad OPSEC, but okay, I got the key. And now I believe if I copy this, this might be the answer to our first question. So I'm going to go back here. Oh, here we go. Enter the key you found. All right, let's give that a shot. And yep, the next question, let's keep this in mind. Next question is, what is Charlie's password? Okay, so since we have an anonymous FTP, let's go ahead and give that a shot. So anonymous at 10.10.13.196. And I'm in. There's no password with anonymous, and I'm in. This is why you should never leave this open, especially the anonymous account. So let's see what's in here. There's that Gumroom JPEG we saw before. So now I'm going to use the steghide command to see what's inside this picture. Gum_room.jpg. Oh, did I misspell it? Yeah, steghide, 2 dashes, info, gum_room.jpg. Huh. What am I getting wrong? Oh, I need to download this first. I can't run this command from FTP. Is this the command? Get. Okay, so now I am going to open up another terminal. Did I put it in here? Where's G? Gumroom. Or is it in my downloads? I have a lot of stuff in here. I have to clean this out. Yep, there it is. Now, steghide --info gum_room.jpg. Yes. So there's a file in the picture called b64.txt. All right. So now let's see if we can extract that file. Extract -sf gum_room.jpg. Huh. What's my passphrase? Okay. I think the file is here. B64. Let's see. B64, there it is. Okay, so now let's cat the file. Cat b64.txt. And let's see what I've got here. This looks like a lot of code. Maybe an RSA. Although it could be base 64 because it doesn't say RSA. So let's do cat b64.txt pipe base 64-d. Let's see what's in here. Oh, look. It says here Charlie, and it looks like some type of hash. Okay. And so, safe to assume that that is the password. So I'm going to put that into a file. So sudo nano charlie password dot text. First, let's copy this baby. All right. So now I should have Charlie password.txt. There it is. Okay, so now I'm going to run this against John the Ripper. USR share word lists /rocku.txt. I think that's where I have it open this way. Charlie password.txt. Okay. Let's see if I get something. Rocku is a huge file, so I hope that the password is simple. Loaded one password hash. This might be taking some time too. I may have to pause again so that I can give you folks a break. So I am going to do that. I will pause. Okay, we're back. And our friend John did not disappoint. It came up with one password here. And here it is. And I believe that's the username. So we've got that done. That's good. And let's see if we can, I didn't even try to access the site. Oh, what is Charlie's password? Got to answer that. So here it is. I'm going to answer that question right there. And now it's telling me to change the user to Charlie. So we got the password. We have to change the user to Charlie. And here we are in the FTP site again. But I never even tried to get into 10.10.13.196. 10.10.13.196. Let's see what happens if we go there. Oh, look at that. Okay, Squirrel Room. All right. So Charlie, and let me see if I can paste that password in here. My password manager keeps popping up. And it seems like, is that Veruca Salt? And all the chipmunks? That's all I get, huh? Okay. Well, we do have a field here where we can type in commands. So maybe I can get a reverse shell in here. I'm going to start a listener and consult my cheat sheets. -LNVP. And let's do 4444. Make it simple for ourselves. And now, let's see if I can get to my cheat sheet. I can get rid of my drink now. I don't need this. I can close this out. See if I have a PHP reverse shell here. I recently saved a page. Do I have it here? Here we go, reverse shell cheat sheet. Here we go. Here is a PHP reverse shell cheat sheet. So I am going to copy this. God bless the internet. Go back here, open up another terminal, paste this in here, and now change the actually I'm not going to run it from here though. I have to run it from that website. So .10.10.13.196, and the port that I've selected is 4444. Now I am going to copy this, go back here, and run the command from here and execute. And now Alright, that didn't do anything. Let's go back to this again. PHPR, let's see, $sock is fsock open. Oh, I'm missing a 4. Damn it. Okay. Well, you know how I roll. I'm always doing the wrong syntax. Let me make sure that all the 4s are there, and they are. Still nothing. Oh, boy. Maybe the port's wrong. I always choose that port, but I am thinking. I'm going to take a minute to think about this, and I will be right back. All right, I'm back. So, idiot that I am, I didn't realize I was putting in the website's IP address instead of my own. So let's go ahead and hit this and see what this does. And I think we've got a hit. There's the telltale sign. Up, and I've got my reverse shell. Okay, I'm in. So let's stabilize our shell, because you know that you know how I roll, and that's definitely in my cheat sheet here. I should have the command memorized by now. Shells are fragile things. Got to stabilize them, make them strong. Okay, and we are in the Chocolate Factory var www.html directory. Okay, we're moving along. So this, let's see if that key rev key file is in here. I'm going to ls for a second. Yep, there it is. I'm going to cat that key underscore rev underscore key. Let's see if there's anything in here that's worthwhile. A lot of strange characters. Oh, look at this. Congratulations, you have found the key. That's the key from before that we answered in that question. So that's good to know. That is what we were looking for. So now we know that there's a username for Charlie. Okay. There we go. That's what I want. Let's clear that up. We are in this. Okay. Let's get into the home directory. And there's Charlie. Okay, let's see what's in here. Oh, there's user.txt. Okay. Let's cat that first. We need that. Oh, I can't get in. Well, that's vexing. Okay. Got to figure out how to get permission. So there's a couple of files here. There's teleport, teleport.pub, and user.txt. All right, so let's cat teleport and see what's in there. Oh, there's the RSA key. Okay. So I'm going to have to create a file. So I am going to copy this. I'm going to copy this. And I'm going to create an RSA key for myself. Where am I? I am in the home dark hoodie directory. So I am going to sudo nano id underscore RSA. Oh, never mind. There's already a key there. Where is it? Yep, there it is. Let's get rid of it. the new one now. ID underscore RSA. There we go. All right. Okay. Now, let's see. I'm going to try to get into Charlie now. SSH Charlie at 10.10.13.196 ID underscore RSA. Yep. Let's see. Shit. Damn it, I need a password. What could that password be? Oh, maybe it's that CN one. I'm going to see if that's the password. CN 7824. I'm going to try that. CN 7824. Damn, that's not it. Huh. Well. All right, I'm going to pause again for a second while I figure out this password issue. Okay, we're back, and I am in, and I'll show you what I did. The syntax I was using was wrong. I should have done SSH-I IDRSA, Charlie, and the IP address, and that let me in without a password. All right, so I'm in now. And now let's see what's here. First of all, let's see what permissions I have. I'm still at Charlie, who is not root. And so let's see what's here. So now I have to get privilege escalation. So how am I going to do that? Sudo-L. Let's look and see if there are any binaries that are root. User Charlie may run the following commands on the Chocolate Factory. No password using usr bin vi. Okay. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to do sudo vi-c quote colon, we're going to do bin bash, or bin sh rather, dev null. All right. And we are root. Yes. So first I have to find that user.txt wherever it went. I'm going to cat home. It was in Charlie / user.txt. There's our flag. The user flag. Sweet. Okay. We got that. And I can paste that here. And now comes the best part, everybody's favorite part, the root flag. So I am going to cd into the root directory, see if I can get in. Yep. And there it's root.py. Huh. That's interesting. What if I cat that? Oh, look at this. It says key. Enter the key. All right. And if I'm not mistaken, that key was what we saw up here. That was the key from earlier. Unless I'm looking in the wrong. Yep. So that key is this key right here. I'm going to copy this. Go back here. Where was I? Where am I? I was just in my shell before. Here we go. No. Did I just kill my shell? Here it is. So I am now going to run root.py. What is that? Oh. Oh boy. Maybe one day I'll learn syntax. Python root.py. Oh, there it is. I had to leave off the 3 version problems. So now I'm going to paste the key that I just copied. Up, and there we go. What does this say? You are now the owner of the chocolate factory. I got a golden ticket. So I am going to copy the root flag. That's interesting. I've never seen it inside of a Python script before. And I didn't submit this one. And now this one. And we have pwned this room. So what did we learn here? Definitely no FTP anonymous logins allowed. And it seems as though this Python script was designed so that if you entered that key we found before, which was left on that web page, that was bad OPSEC as well, allowed us to pwn this room. So we are done, and I hope you enjoyed this time together. And if you did, I would encourage you to please like and subscribe. And once again, thank you to my 100 plus subscribers. Bring a friend, tell everybody. And until next time, hack the planet.